In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Rocket Money account with our 2025 guide. Whether you're new to managing your finances online or looking for a user-friendly platform, Rocket Money could be just the tool you need. So grab your device and let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Rocket Money website. You can do this by typing in the URL www.rocketmoney.com into your browser's address bar. It's important to ensure you're on the correct site to protect your data and guarantee the best experience in setting up your new account. Once you're there and the home page has loaded, your next action will be to locate and click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page, making it easy to find. Clicking this will take you directly to the account creation page, your gateway to accessing all that Rocket Money has to offer. Now, when you reach the account creation page, you'll see two options for creating your account: email or a connected account via Google or Apple. If you choose to use your email, simply enter your email address and create a password. Once you've input these details, click Continue. On the other hand, for those of you who prefer using existing accounts for convenience, you can select Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account quickly and securely. Both methods ensure you a seamless transition into the Rocket Money ecosystem. After successfully setting up your login credentials, it's time to set up your profile. This is where you can personalize your account with some basic information. Enter your name and phone number. These details help Rocket Money personalize your user experience and improve security. Make sure to read through and agree to Rocket Money's terms of service and privacy policy to proceed. Finally, let's wrap up with the verification process. Keep an eye out for a verification email that will be sent to the address you registered with. In that email, you will find a verification link. A simple click here will confirm and activate your account. Once verified, you can dive in and start exploring. Log into the web app, or for the ultimate convenience, download the Rocket Money mobile app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. With your Rocket Money account now up and running, you're equipped to manage your financial world more efficiently than ever before. It's incredibly satisfying to have all your finances organized in one place at the touch of a button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made signing up simple and easy. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Rocket Money.